Alright, what's going on YouTube? So it's been quite a while since I've actually done a new video. So I finally acquired another addition to my room, and that would be the Necronomicon Ex Mortis. This was a eBay find that I found while browsing around. I've been always wanting a Necronomicon, and this one happened to be about $60 on eBay. It's actually pretty interesting what you'll find in this book. It has most of the Wiccan type pages that you would find even in the Evil Dead franchise. I can even show you a few pages. But basically what I'm going to be doing to this book is making it look a lot more older and more crepit and things like that, like you would see in the film, where what I might be doing is burning the edges of the paper to make it look more older, even tea staining the papers to make it look more authentic and old, as in that respect as well. So if you want to look over at the book here, so we can just look at a few pages. Let's see here. So here's the beginning of the book. Some dismembered body parts. It has a lot of cool illustrations in this book, and it also has additional pages in case you wanted to make this as your journal, and you can write things or draw whatever you would like. So only a little small fraction of the book actually has these writings and illustrations in it. But I really do enjoy this book. It's well worth the $60. One of the best looking Necronomicons that I've seen on eBay. You might find something on Etsy too. I haven't really looked at Etsy too much, but I'm very pleased with this book, and I have some ideas to make it look a lot more authentic and more ancient, as it were. So yeah, that would be the Necronomicon Ex Mortis. So I will be doing an update video once I finally have finished crafting this to make it look a little bit more older, I guess. So there's that. Also stay tuned, guys. I do have another 74 Leatherface mask that I have done for a guest or a client. He has asked me to do his mask for him, and so I did, and it is just about finished, and it almost looks pretty identical to the one that I've showed you for my part videos. So yeah, I will have another video coming up really soon on that mask and showing you the progress and what I've done maybe a little bit differently from my mask aside from his. So stay tuned, guys, and have a good one.